Hey everyone, today we're at the Westin Anaheim Resort. We're gonna be checking in. We have a room with the park view. I'm gonna show you guys the pool, the different eats that this resort has, and just have a good time. Let's go do this. Westin Anaheim Resort. We got Disney California Adventure to your left. You can see Incredicoaster and the Pixar Fun Wheel. You got to the right, the front entrance to the Westin. You have a Mexican restaurant and then a steakhouse called Fleming's, which we're actually going to be eating at later in this video. You got the conference center over there, the cafe. You're able to get your coffee there. Wow, beautiful fountain. This is a brand new resort, opened in, I believe, 2021. I could be mistaken, but I believe it was summer of 2021. So brand new resort. This is what you can expect from the lobby. You got a bar directly to the back, and then the west wing or the west hall is to the right, and you got the front area where you're able to check in. Disney 100. We're going to be able to check out Disneyland during Disney's 100th anniversary. Got the silver statue of Mickey there. Fun and adventures, Disneyland. That's pretty neat that they got that in there. All right, and here is our first impressions of the room. Two freshly made queen-size beds, but this is what we're really here for. Wow. Oh, wow. You got right front and center view of Disney California Adventure. Got the Incredicoaster, Mickey's Ferris wheel, or Pixar Pals Fun Time, you know, zippity doo-dah wheel or whatever. Got nice night lights. Look at that. For reading and, you know, things you do that you need a night light for. Pretty modern looking TV. Complimentary liquid death mountain water. This is considered an accessible bathroom. So, you know, they have the handles for disabled people. And then you got the, you know, little seat for you to sit on. More things for hygiene, I guess. And look at that. Nice, you know, big bathroom. Pretty nifty. For once, the bathroom actually has a lock on it, which is nice because for some reason, a bunch of the hotels we've stayed at in the past, especially notably Universal, well, the Lowe's resorts there just don't have locked on the bathroom. I don't get it. If you continue your walk to the right of the lobby, you'll find yourself at the pool. You do need your key card to get in here, but once you enter, it's a beautiful little pool. I don't know if there's a hot tub here or not. Here's the pool. Looks a little dirty, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, you know, that's fixable, but, you know, just a note. There it is. They got a hot tub. Very, very uniquely shaped hot tub. I don't really know what that's about, but hey, it is indeed hot. I can confirm it is a hot tub. Up early here at the Westin Resort, taking a look at DCA. What a beautiful park view. Got the Grand Californian, almost a Grand Floridian, Grand Californian in the back. We're about to head to our breakfast at the Storytellers Cafe. I can't wait. No better feeling than sitting in your hotel room, looking to your right, seeing Incredicoaster, and then hearing Incredicoaster and the ride audio. It's just so good. It's so good. And this is the nighttime view. We're gonna go down to Fleming's, which is right over there, and we're gonna eat some steak and some seafood and some delicious California eats. There is the seafood tower. Looks delicious. Here is the Fleming's salad with tomatoes, raisins, walnuts. Looks pretty good. Got the filet medium rare and a little side of caviar. Well, that's gonna do it here from the Westin. Thank you guys for watching this Westin review where I try the food, show you guys around this resort right across the street from Disneyland.